Hello everyone, this is Coding with Jesse, and today we're going to make an application or website like this using HTML. This will also include some learning of how to use some basic stuff and also how to get some code from other websites to help you build your website. So in that case, let's get started. What you need to do is have a picture set up, one like this or one like this. Let me give you an example. Okay, this is the image we're going to be using in the website we're going to be making. So let's open up our JavaScript editor. I'll put a link in the description, that way you know where to download it and also code like me. Okay, we don't need this code though, because I did something similar like this before. So there we go. So now instead of this, we'll delete that, then add our image. Okay, here it is, picture one. Picture1.png. So we also need to master the size. So we'll say 100. Okay, sorry I'm taking too long. Okay, there we go. Now that we have our image, let's give it a title. Call it My Code Editor. Done. Okay, so here, basically what I'm doing here is, let's first save it and I show you what I'm doing. Just save. Let's call it test. Alright, so test is here. Let's just bring it over here. Alright, now as you can see, this is our picture. Right now, I've made it go to google.com, depending on the hyperlink over here. So the next thing we need to do is also create a text editor. But this tutorial will include copying it and pasting it in an HTML editor, but I'll keep working on it. So here we have our text area. Okay, you know what, let's just code it by hand, or maybe let's code it by hand. Text area. It's save. So save. Test 2. Okay. Have our text editor right here. Now since we don't have to add anything, we can also do something like this. browse. Wait. Wait. Now in this case that I do not know, let's first come here. This is really helpful. Okay, so let's search for, oh wait, this does not have Grepper, and that is actually today's sponsor. If you'd like to install Grepper over here, you can find the link in the description where you Google search something like, let's say, how to make a text editor in HTML. I'll go for tab. Okay, let's say text box in HTML. There we go. And this is it. There we go. There are also other types, but we can just go with this. So now that you know, let's go back to our code editor. Let's say 4, no 5. Rows 4. Save. Up. 2. Okay. Reload. And this is exactly what we've done. Okay, equals 2. Let me just zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in. But anyway. Let's say height can be 100. Width can be 50. Save. Reload. Okay. Inspect. Copy outer HTML. Okay, there we go. So save. Go back. So reload, and then it's the same. So now let's make it a little bigger. And there we go. Right, the code editor. Let's first inspect it. Copy outer HTML. So what this inspector does for Firefox and Chrome browsers, Chrome Google has its inspect button as well when you right click. So what it does here, it says editors HTML delete element, but it will still stay the same because of the memory. So as you copy, you see copy element, but in Firefox browser you'll see if you copy inner HTML, sometimes it doesn't work. So you can copy the outer HTML. That usually works better. Outer HTML. V, Control save, reload. Now we have our code editor. Doc type HTML, and there we go. We are finished. So now we need to edit this. So we go to our test, and instead of that, we'll say you'll see this link to the HTML editor, or we can just do this, copy, delete, V. There, now it will just be an ordinary picture. That's all we want. Okay, save, reload. There. Now since we want it to look bigger, let's make it 1000. Save, reload. Okay, this might be too big, so let's go with 999. Save, reload. Okay, so let's go with 500 this time. Save, reload. But I'm so sorry we're taking so long. So in this case, let's stop now. In this case, let's stop now because I don't want the video to be too long or boring. Yeah. And I hope to reach as many subscribers as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.